Hello mga kapatid, kamusta kayong lahat dito? So, ang reading natin dito is, tutuhanin ba ng iyong person, the person in your mind, ang pangako niya sa iyo? Whatever this na pinapangako niya sa iyo, could be related sa love, related sa money, career, or something, or anything, okay? Kailan nakakaalam? So again, as a reminder, general reading po ito, kunin nyo lang po kung saan ka nakaka-resonate, okay? Hindi po ito private reading. So we have 3 piles here. This is pick a card tarot reading. Para mas ma-confirm natin na ito ay para sa iyo or itong pile na napili ninyo ay para sa inyo. We have here pile number 1, the unicorn. Pile number 2, the mermaid tail. Pile number 3 is the heart. Okay? So, here, pile number 1. Okay. Do not pick that if it's just about the image. Pakiramdaman nyo po kung aling pile ang sinasabi or tinatawag ng inyong intuition. Okay? This is pile number 3, the heart. Okay. So again, before you choose this pile, make sure you do some meditation. Pause nyo muna yung video na ito. Isalarawan nyo muna kung aling pile ang dapat yung piliin kung tutuhanin ba ng person ninyo or the person in your mind ang pangako niya sa iyo. Okay? So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, pile number 1. Who choose pile number 1, the unicorn? Okay. So, alamin natin yung energy ng ating pile number 1. Okay. Alright, Spirit Angels. Tell me the energy, the current energy ng ating pile number 1. Okay. So, we have here, okay, the High Priestess and the Wheel of Fortune. Wow, you guys are very intuitive. Yeah. Mala Diyosa, mala Panginoon, mala Anghel. Okay, ang dating ninyo. You guys are very like high-spirited, napaka confident ninyo sa sarili ninyo. High confident, knowledgeable, matalino. Okay? And this is the right time for you guys. You guys are in destined of something. Okay? You are destined to have this all. Okay? Itong mga minamanifest ninyo. Especially you guys are meron itong napaka-intuitive, psychic. For those who choose number 1 are very psychic, intuitive. Okay? You guys are destined to achieve all of these dreams to or itong mga minamanifest ninyo. Okay? Yeah, you are destined to achieve all of this. Kung ano, whatever you guys are manifesting, ito ay mangyari. And this is the right time for you na to receive this manifestation. Okay? The time is turning in your favor, mga kapatid. So, this is the right time for you na pag-aralin kung ano bang gusto mong mangyari. Itong pinapangarap mo. Itong minamanifest mo. This is the time to nakatutok sa iyo itong mga minamanifest mo, which is mangyari ito. Itong mga pinapangarap mo. Things that you want to happen. Yeah. Especially when it comes to full moon. Yeah, your energy is rising. Your intuitive, your psychic power is increasing during full moon. Yeah. Okay? Maybe you are a traveler. Soon you'll be traveling. If you are wishing na mag-travel, it's gonna happen. You are destined to travel. Okay? It doesn't have to be like a long distance kasi meron naman sa inyo dito pile number 1, long distance. Okay? Across the world, across the country. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, siguro by ground. Like pumunta lang ng ibang town or mapalayo lang sa bahay, something like that. Yeah, you guys are, this is the right time for you, or the universe is giving you a chance to study hard. Because soon, there's something big is coming. Yeah, and pay attention guys, and again, the universe is watching you as a reminder. They are watching you, pinapanood ka, whatever you do, okay, sinusulat nila yung mga ginagawa mo, itong mga na-achieve mo. And also, whatever you're manifesting, start writing down itong mga pinapangarap mo. Isulat mo. Because soon, it's gonna happen. Mangyari ito. Yeah. This is the right time na isulat itong mga manifestation mo, pile number 1. Okay? Ibasa niyo dito, you might be working abroad, or a traveler, psychic, intuitive, yeah, a married woman, you might be like a high confident person, napaka-fashionista, yeah, a high goddess, maybe you have this like a businesswoman, okay, yeah, yung iba naman sa inyo dito, Temperance, the Moon, and what is this? 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, karamihan talaga sa inyo dito mga kapatid, pile number 1, you guys are a builder. High confident, binibuild mo itong mga pinapangarap mo. You are a go-getter. Napaka-pasensyosa mo. Pasensyoso. Yeah, maraming taong naiinggit sa'yo. You don't care. Yung iba sa inyo dito, you don't care. Alam mo naman naiinggit sila pero you just don't care. You are just focusing with yourself. Focus ka na lang sa sarili mo. Kahit marami nagmamarites sa'yo, kahit marami nakikialam sa'yo. Kahit na marami dito mga people sees you na very intuitive, alam nila. Alam nila na parang nababasa mo na yung galawan nila. Alam nila na alam mo na yung mga galawan nila. And that's why these people are like afraid. They're afraid, or yung iba naman dito is parang they just want to share you yung mga ganap, yung mga sikreto, yung mga marites. Okay? And yung iba sa inyo dito, you just don't care. You don't care about the marites. Yan, yung mga chismis. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo dito, focus ka na lang sa finances mo. Maybe you are waiting to, maybe you are building this trip. Maybe you are building finances, pag-iipon, para siguro trabaho abroad, or business trip, or a travel, or something na somewhere na gusto mong mapuntahan, or a city. Yeah, maybe you might be working in a city or in a town, kung saan busy area. Yeah, you are just focusing on keep building your finances. Okay? So that's the energy that I'm getting for you, pile number 1. And if this energy na hindi kayo nakaka-resonate, or it doesn't describe you, meaning this pile is not meant for you. Okay? So, alamin na natin kung tutuhanin ba ng person mo itong pangako niya sa'yo. This will be yes or no. So before that, pause niyo muna yung video and think about the question. And then the answer will be here. Alright, pause niyo muna and then manifest niyo muna kung ano ba talagang sasagot, no? So, nasa sa inyo yan. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, pile number 1's answer, yes or no? Tutuhanin ba ng person nila yung pangako niya sa ating pile number 1? Is the answer yes or no? Okay. We have here maybe. Balance. Maybe you might be out of balance when it comes to your finances. No? Maybe this is related sa yung finances or related sa communication. Maybe you're waiting for this person or hindi mo alam kung anong sasabihin sa taong ito, or maybe this person just doesn't know. Hindi niya alam kung paano siya, or maybe itong taong ito is struggle. Okay? Kasi marami ako nakukuha energy sa ating pile number 1, ano? Yung iba dito sa inyo, when this person says, tutuhanin. Okay, this person made a promise na it could be related sa money or something about sa sinabi niya na conversation. This person doesn't know kung mangyayari ba talaga. Okay? This person is struggling. Meron itong pag-struggle. Okay? Trying to balance na isa katuparang itong pangako niya sa'yo. Yeah. Maybe this person is like, maybe ang pinapangako niya is papautangin kanya or papahiramin ng pera. But this person might be struggling when it comes to money. So maybe until now you are hoping na mabayaran ka ng taong ito, or this could be sa utang or papautangin ka. Like again, this person is struggling. Na maybe na papautangin ka niya, maybe na babayarin ka niya, or maybe na mag-o-offer siya sa'yo. But then again, this person is like doubting. Okay? Hindi sigurado, hindi siya sure kung kung ibibigay ba niya sa iyo itong mga pinapangako niya o nabitawan niyang salita. It could be paperwork, related sa paperwork. Yeah? This person is like doesn't know. Or this could be related sa pagta-travel again, sa pagta-travel. Maybe. Okay? Balance, trying to find balance, resourcefulness, ups and down, adaptability, flexibility, juggling life, juggling money, balancing books, transferring money, profit, and loss. So, yeah. Okay, so the answer for pile number 1 is maybe. But this one is yes. Kasi ito kanina, gusto ring lumabas. So, we have here maybe, meron naman itong yes. This is clarity. You'll be getting clarity. Maybe through this reading, through this pile number 1, you'll be getting clarity from this person. Yeah, you'll be getting an achievement, success from this person. Okay, itong nagbitaw ng salita ng pangako na gagawin niya. Because this person is very truthful. Okay? You are dealing with a person na napakatotoo. Naging totoo siya sa iyo, gagawin niya yon. It could be a marriage proposal or marriage. Yeah, magiging totoo siya sa iyo, ibibigay niya ang para sa iyo, magiging klaro. Okay? This person is very straightforward, very integrity. Okay? This person is giving you a new idea. This could be like a new ideas, new plans, intellectual ability, victory, success, mental clarity, clear thinking, breakthrough, ability to concrete communication, realizing the truth, vision, force, or focus. So again, focus on what you are visioning, kapatid, and soon it's gonna happen. You will be getting like an information from this person. Itong hinihintay mo, itong pinapangako niya. Whatever you guys are talking about, kasi meron itong this could be a secret, related to sikreto. Maybe at this moment, sikreto na muna, and then soon, you will be getting the answer. Okay? Alright, file number 1, final message from the universe for you. Your angel guide. Okay? Spirit guide angels, what is your final advice for pile number 1? Pile number 1 advice, please. Okay. So again, pile number 1, your person have this, meron siyang isang salita related sa marriage, promise, yeah. Okay. So again, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakasunod, kung hindi naman, sorry ha, at wag lang tayong bitter. Acceptance. Okay, you can pause the video at basahin niyo kung gusto niyo basahin. See yourself and the others, the eyes of the angels with a conditional love and acceptance. In this way, you inspired and life everyone to their highest potential. So talaga, kailangan tanggapin mo kung sino itong mga tao sa paligid mo at tanggapin mo kung yung mga pangyayari, lahat, no? Kailangan talaga may pagtatanggap sa sarili. And for that, you will getting the clarity, the answer. Yeah. At maraming tao na inspired sa iyo, mga kapatid. Yeah. Alright, hanggang dito na lang, pile number 1. At maraming salamat sa panood nyo dito sa ating The Star Talking Tarot YouTube channel. And for who choose pile number 1, maraming salamat po. At sana kayo ay nakasunod dito sa itong pile number 1. Okay? And I hope to see you guys next time in my next reading. Bye! So, hello, pile number 2. Kamusta kayong lahat dito? For those who choose pile number 2, ang reading natin is, tutuhanin ba ng person ninyo ang mga pangako niya? Or ang pangako niya sa'yo? Or ang pangakong binitaw niya sa'yo? So, think about the person. Isipin niyo muna yung person ninyo kung ano itong binitawan niyang pangako. Kung tutuhanin ba niya o hindi. This could be related sa love, money, career, whatever it is. Kailan nakakaalam mga kapatid. Okay? So, alamin natin ang iyong energy this moment. Okay. Spirit guide angels. How is our pile number 2? Kung hindi ka nakakaroon dito sa energy na ito, meaning hindi ito para sa inyo. Kung hindi naman, then choose different pile or different, pile, group. Alright, pile number 2, spirit guide. We have here the judgment. Diba yung ibang sa inyo dito, feeling unjust, feeling tired of, parang walang nakikinig sa iyo. Siguro yung mga anak mo, meron itong napapagod kasi parang walang nakikinig sa iyo. Kasi kanina, parang gusto niya mag-reverse. Okay? So, judgment And this could be like in reverse, okay? Because I'm getting the energy that judgment in reverse. So I'm getting like someone here is waiting for a reward or blessings. Yeah, maybe you're waiting for the person. Kaya siguro you choose pile number 2 because you are waiting for the answer. Yeah, kung tutuhanin ba ng taong ito or tatawagan ba siya or tatawagan ka ba? Or maybe you have been praying. Yeah, siguro pinapanalangin mo ito na sana itong taong ito ay tatawag o sana makakatanggap ka ng good news from the universe, good news from this person, or whatever you are waiting for na hinihintay mo, sana ay mangyayari na. And that's why you choose this pile number 2. Is it gonna happen? Itong taong ba this could be related sa tawag na work-related finances, na sana ay makakatanggap ka ng good news from your finances. Yeah. Business. You know what I mean? Okay. What else, Spirit Guardians? Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, you might be feeling stress kasi feeling mo parang walang nakikinig sa'yo. Parang walang nangyayari. Okay? So guys, again, always think positivity. Do not stop on praying and believing in God, believing in the universe. Ganun talaga, lahat tayo ay may mga struggle minsan, kaya lang, you need to avoid. Yeah. Kailangan iwasan mo talaga mag-isip ng mga negatibong bagay. Kasi the more na na-focus ka sa negatibong bagay, the more na na-attract sa'yo ay mga negatibong bagay din. Ito mga hindi magandang mangyari. Okay? Okay. Para naman magkaroon to ng peace of mind, maybe you need to, it's time to visit, magsimba. Siguro lately hindi ka na nakapagsimba, then this is the right time for you na magsimba. Or as a reminder, magsimba-simba din. Alright, what else, Spirit Guardians? Just ang ating file number 2. File number 2's energy, please. Okay, ang dami naman ito. Meron itong gusto magbabalik. X. Siguro, okay. Basahin ko na lang itong mga, ano to. I'm getting like, they could be like, maybe you're waiting for somebody to say sorry, mag-apology. Siguro hinihintay mo itong opportunity na mag-sorry siya. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, meron ditong, you are trying to cut off. Okay? Maybe you are trying, siguro busy ka na lang sa sarili mo, no? Busy ka sa ginagawa mo, whatever it is, trabaho, pamilya, pag-aaral. You are like trying your best to stay busy. Yeah. You are like cutting yourself from the environment. Yeah, siguro lately, hindi ka nakikihaliwili sa mga tao sa paligid because you just want to be alone. Maybe you need this time na maging alone. And you guys are being so truthful. Yeah. And focus sa finances. Wala kang, it's like you don't care. Parang you just don't care about what's going on with other people's life. You just focusing with yourself. Focus ka lang sa sarili mo. Wala kang pakialam sa mga pangyayari sa paligid. Yeah. You are trying to be like, you want to be successful. You are manifesting this this success. Yeah. Pile number 2. You want to be successful. You want to achieve this victory. Yeah. You are trying to cut off the people that you don't care or you don't care anymore. Yeah. You're trying to work by yourself. So, sinusubukan mo magtrabaho alone without these people around you or even sa business. No? Or siguro lately talagang kina-cut off mo lang. Nakakaroon ka lang talaga ng alone time or cut off sa paligid sa buhay. Sa environment, I'm sorry. And yung iba sa inyo dito, you just want to travel. You are focusing on where to go. Saan bang gusto mo? Saan ba parang gusto mo mag-start, meron tong gusto mag-starting over. Guys, whatever you make a mistakes or mga difficulties, mga problema, walang problema mag-starting over. Okay? We are free to do what we want to do. We have freedom. The universe giving us freedom. If you want to starting over again, go ahead. Start anew fresh. This is like a divine message for you, pile number 2. Okay? Maybe you need this message. If you made a mistake from the past, go ahead. This is the right time for you to think it truly, mag-isip ng maayos, isipin yung mga nakaraang bagay na pangyayari na hindi na maging maganda, na nagiging toxic sa'yo. Siguro mga tao na hindi naman nakakatulong sa'yo, this is the right time to cut off if you want to. Starting over again, start a fresh new life. We have freedom to do that. Okay? As long as wala ka namang inapakang kapwa, then go ahead. As long as it really help you, no, na mag-elevate or may pagbabago sa buhay mo in a positive way. Yeah. If you want to cut off people around you, that's okay. Kung ayaw mo magkapag-kaibigan sa mga kaibigan mo noon or family members, that's alright. You have a freedom to start a new, fresh life. Yeah. If you want to travel, yes, you can travel. Okay? Okay. Meron itong napaka attractive, pasensyosa. Maybe you are a fire sign, earth sign, air sign. Okay? If you guys need to help the people, maybe you are waiting for this person, a boss. Meron kasi ditong naghihintay na mabigyan ng opportunity from the boss or finances. Yeah, meron itong naghihintay. You are waiting. Waiting na sana ay mag-reach out itong person na ito or kausapin ka na sana ay madagdagan yung salary mo or finances mo or it's something about related sa finances na hinintay mo, kapatid, no? Okay. So you're waiting for this person na sana mag-offer siya sa'yo na sana ay may opportunity when it comes to your finances. Yeah. And again, there's nothing wrong na maghingi ng pagpapatawad sa mga taong nasaktan mo o nagawa mo na hindi maganda. Okay? There's no late. Walang late. Okay? Hindi uso ang late para maghingi ng pagpapatawad sa kapwa. Siguro yung iba dito, maybe you have been feeling this guilt. Siguro nakakaramdam ka ng guilt. Again, guys, kailangan talaga babain mo yung pride mo minsan, ano? Nakakuha ko yung energy ng pride. Kasi meron itong, alam mo na nagkakamali ka, kaya lang, hindi mo tanggap, or parang hindi mo feel ang humingi ng pagpapatawad. But then again, itong iniisip mo ngayon ay bumabalik-balik. It's because the universe wants you to realize what you did wrong. Anong nagawa mong mali, o mga pagkakamali mo dito. And there is a right time for you, or anytime, feel free to apologize or maghumingi ng pagpapatawad sa kapwa. Whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam. Okay? So, ito yung energy ng ating pile number 2. Kung hindi man kayo nakakarating sa pile number 2, then maybe pile number 2 is not for you. Okay? And pili kayo sa ibang pile natin. So, tanungin natin sa universe kung yes or no, or maybe. Okay, for the person in your mind, pause niyo muna yung video at tanongin niyo sarili niyo, tutuhanin ba ng person niyo o silarawan niyo siya para makuha natin yung energy niya. Okay, pile number 2 na kung tutuhanin ba yung pangako niya sa iyo. Whatever it is, related sa money, love, career, kayo lang nakakaalam. Alright, pile number 2, speaker rin just yes or no, tutuhanin ba ng person nilang pangako niya sa ating pile number 2. Okay. Oh, wow, we have here number 13. No. I'm getting like Friday the 13th. And yes, oh my God, mix. Kasi dito gusto din lumabas, may passion. There's a love. Again, if you are manifesting this, may magbabalik. Di ba kanina sabi ko may magbabalik? This could be the person na nag-ano sa'yo ng pangako na hintayin mo ko ako ay magbabalik. This could be more on love. So, this is like a fire energy, chemistry. So, this person is coming back. Yeah, darating siya. Gagawin niya yung pangako niya, tutuhanin yung pangako niya sa'yo. And, meron ditong childish. Maybe this person is childish. And, maybe this person works in abroad or in a different state, different country, or in a desert, somewhere in the Middle East, or in a hot environment. Okay? Okay, so we have here being hasty, adventurous, energetic, charming, warm, exciting, fearless, confident, self-assured, hero, rebellious, brave, revolutionary, open-minded, free spirit, sexy, warm, shameless, flirt. So, this person's kind of like a napaka-flirty ng taong ito. And attractive, yeah, hasty. Okay, so meron naman itong no. This could be something about like This is like related sa the person na ma-pride, or parang ayaw niyang tumulong sa mga kapwa. Okay? Parang ayaw, siguro hindi na muna siya tumulong or hindi ka muna niya kayang tulungan at this moment because of the crisis. Okay? This could be related sa money or friendship. Yung iba sa inyo dito, yeah, siguro hindi lang niya talaga kayang tumulong. Meron naman dito na you are dealing with a person na ayaw tumulong. Yeah, parang gusto niya na mas mataas ang antas niya or ang level niya kaysa sa iyo. Kahit na marami ng mga tao na humihingi ng tulong sa kanya, para sa kanya ayaw. Talaga siguro mabigat lang, no? This is very like hindi naman lahat, no? Maybe you are dealing with a person na ayaw magbigay ng tulong. Siguro nakagawa ka ng hindi maganda sa kanya o pagkakamali, and this person is also like holding resentment, no? Siguro from the past, may nagawa kang hindi maganda sa kanya, and this person is not ready yet to accept your this apology or accept the fact na tulungan ka niya, yung iba sa inyo dito. At meron naman dito sa inyo na there's like a transformation. Maybe you want like a new beginning with this person, kasi di ba sanabi ko nina, new beginning. It's not, walang mali kung gusto mo mag-starting over again. Maybe this could be related sa family member or pagpapatawad. This person is not ready yet na itong pagpapatawad ay mangyayari. So this is like a no. Okay? No, not yet. Not yet muna. Maybe you just need time. Itong pagpatawad. Itong, it takes time kasi hindi naman lahat, no, na agad-agad magpapatawad agad, no? It takes time talaga bago makapag-move on itong taong ito. Yeah. So, yung basta nyo dito, no. We have here number 13. So, final message from the universe, from your angel guide. Our spirit guide angels, what is your advice for our pile number 2? Okay. So again, meron ditong ayaw niya munang makipag-usap sa'yo, no muna. Yung iba ha, hindi pa siya ready. Whatever it is, hindi pa siya ready na kausapin ka. Kaya siguro itong pangarap niya, ay itong pangako niya sa'yo, hindi muna matutupad because of something, what happened, what went wrong, or it could be relationship, or it could be your ex, okay? Or it could be a family member, friendship, kaya nakakaalam mga kapatid. Yung iba naman sila dito, someone here is coming towards you. May darating. Darating siya, gagawin niya yung pangako niya sa'yo. Okay? This person is like a flirty, elegant, or I would say hasty, or in abroad, or mahilig sa motor, or mahilig adventurous, itong taong ito. Okay? This person is very like a romantic and flirty. Yeah. Okay. So, we have here, admit your true feelings to yourself. Yeah. So, kailangan talaga maging truthful ka, no? Sa nararamdaman mo, sarili mo, at sa kapwa mo. Even if you have to say sorry. Yeah. You have to admit na nagkasala ka. Yeah. You have to accept the fact na nagkasala ka kasi tao lang din naman tayo. No? Hindi lang tao lang tayo, but we are deserved to apology, to accept that what we did wrong, our mistakes. Tanggapin natin itong pagkakamali at walang late. Hindi pa huli ang humingi ng pagpapatawad. Okay? So be honest with yourself. Only you know what it is that you truly desire. So ikaw lang nakakaalam kung ano talagang gusto mong gawin. Be yourself. This situation calls for you to be your authentic self, which is the basis for your personal power. So be yourself. Be truthful. Okay? Autumn. In the fall season, everything comes together and you reap wonderful harvest of abundance. So soon, sometime autumn, starting siguro mid-September all the way to November, the autumn, yeah, your finances, you will be receiving these finances, a help from the universe. Okay? Yeah, you'll be receiving a good news during autumn. Yeah. So believe in yourself, believe in God, and believe in your spirit guides. Yeah. So, hanggang dito na lang pile number 2. Sana nakaresonate kayo dito. And sorry, meron itong no and yes. Kailan nakakaalam kung anong ibig sabihin nitong no and kailan din nakakaalam sa yes when it comes to your love life. Alright? So, pile number 2. I hope to see you guys on my next reading. At sana ay nag-enjoy kayo dito. And see you guys next time on my next reading. Bye! Hello, pile number 3. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid? Sana kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. So, make sure kayo ay, whenever you watch this video, pakilakasan na lang ng volume kung hindi malakas. And, yeah. And it's good to watch this video or any of the readings na during at night before going to bed para mas naintindihan nyo itong reading na ito or any readings na pinapanood nyo on social media para mas peaceful. No, at para mas naintindihan ninyo at nakaka-resonate kayo sa mga reading. So, pile number 3 for those who choose heart. Number 3. So, alamin natin yung current energy, pile number 3. You know what? I'll just use the same card. Para lahat ay pare-pareho. So, kunin natin yung energy ninyo. Kung hindi ka nakaka-resonate sa energy na ito, meaning hindi ito yung energy na para sa inyo or itong pile para sa inyo. So, maybe you should choose pile 1 or 2 or other piles or all piles para makaresonate kayo Okay. So yung iba dito pinapanood itong 1, 2, and 3. Wow, kaway-kaway dyan. Alright. Pile number 3. Kamusta ang ating pile number 3, Spirit Angels? Pile number 3. Okay, you guys are like so friendly. Yeah, you guys love to enjoy drinking, partying, reuniting with friends, family. Maybe soon you'll be going to a party. Yeah. And more on celebrations. Okay? Siguro lately you guys been, maybe yung iba to pile number 3, maybe you have been celebrating your birthday or soon you'll be celebrating your birthday the next month. So this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch this video, this is meant for you na mapanood ito. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo dito. And ito po ay general reading. Kunin nyo lang po kung saan ka nakakasunod kasi hindi po ito private reading. At huwag lang tayong bitter kung hindi ka nakakasunod, no? So, we have here 4 of Swords. You guys have been manifesting and praying. So, it's a good thing kasi meron ditong before you go to bed, you always pray. And which is good for you. You always have this thought of always pray and believe in God. And yeah, so which is good na lagi kayong nananalangin bago kayo matulog. It's very advisable for you. Para naman, hindi tayo magkaroon ng bad dreams, Or especially, if you are this, yung empath, yung laging nananaginip or psychic, no? So, always pray. Hindi lang sa pagiging psychic, lagi talagang manalangin habang natutulog. And yung iba sa inyo dito, maybe you have been like so tired, feeling tired lately. So, as advice for you, maybe lately you have been going to party, celebration, or an event, kaliwat kanan, or trabaho. Guys, if you are feeling tired, pagod na pagod ka, you have to listen to yourself, to your body. You need to rest. Kailangan mo matulog, kailangan mo mag-rest. Mag-relax ka muna. No? So, again, pakinggan mo ang iyong katawan, pay attention to your health. Maybe if you are feeling like a pain, parang mga turok-turok or something like whatever you're feeling tired or mga sakit-sakit sa katawan, it's time to have yourself check to the doctor. So, magpa-check up po kayo kung kailangan niyo magpa-check up. Wag niyo pong or iwasan niyo po ang self-remedy sa bahay. No? Kailangan talaga magpa-check up kung ano yung nararamdaman ninyo. Yeah. Kasi meron itong, nakuha ko kasi yung energy dito na, or mga kapatid natin dito, star viewers, na whatever you're feeling tired or mga sakit-sakit, iniinom mo na lang ng gamot. Hindi mo naman chine-check kasi feeling mo, through sa mga gamot-gamot na ito, or self-remedy, naibsan naman yung sakit. But then again, kung ito naman ay parang palagi-lagi na lang ay nangyayari itong sakit na ito, please paki-check naman ang iyong katawan sa doktor. Magpa-check up po kayo. Yeah. At yung iba naman sa inyo dito, when it comes to your money, yes, you are holding your money. You are holding your power. Yeah. You guys are very attractive, very friendly. always going to a party. Soon you'll be going to an event, celebration. Or soon you'll be going to this reunion. There's like a reunion here. Friendship, family members, or co-workers. There's like a celebration to happen so soon. And you know, kailan po nakakaalam kung ano celebration ito. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, when it comes to your finances, you are holding a huge amount. Siguro ikaw itong entrepreneur, businesswoman, business person. Yeah. Okay, maybe you are into this like a business. Magaling ka talaga when it comes to your business. And yung iba sa inyo dito, maybe you have this a business of a farm, maybe you are a farmer, or siguro from inheritance, or siguro a real estate, nagbebenta ng mga lupa or mga lupain, or maybe you are just good. You are just good when it comes to money, business. Okay? Yes, you guys are very intuitive. Magaling ka. Matalino. Magaling ka talaga at matalino when it comes to run business. So, if you don't have this, kung wala kang confidence sa sarili mo when it comes to business, run a business, guys, you have to believe in yourself. Pakinggan mo yung sarili because you have this talent. You are very talented when it comes to business. When it comes to money. Okay? Yeah. Focus ka sa family mo. Ito ay ginagawa mo sa pamilya mo. Nagtatrabaho ka ng maayos. Focus ka sa pamilya mo. Maybe you have a newborn child. Maybe meron kang baby ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo dito, may baby pa. And when it comes to your family naman, sa finances, okay naman. Nakakaya naman. Kahit na may mga struggle, nakakaya naman. So, again, continue on praying. Manalangin ka palagi. Yeah. Even when you go to bed. Before you go to bed, manalangin palagi. Okay? Kahit na may mga struggle ka, focus ka na lang sa sarili mo. Yeah. Believe in yourself, believe in God. Kung may mga problema ka, guys, as a reminder, pray, manalangin. Yeah. Prayers is really powerful, mga kapatid. Okay? So, again, pile number 3, sana itong energy na ito ay nakaka-resonate sa iyo. Kung hindi naman, maybe itong pile na ito hindi para sa inyo. Okay? So, let's move on. Pile number 3. Okay. Pile number 3, Spirit Guide Angels. So, pile number 3 is also good at saving money. Okay? Maybe you are right now saving a huge amount. Maybe may malaking amount ka lang naiipon. And you deserve that. And maybe meron dong mayaman, matalino, workaholic. Okay? Or may malaking lupain. Yeah. And this is you, pile number 3, yung iba sa inyo dito. Okay, kung hindi naman kayo ito, pile number 3, itong energy na ito, maybe this is not for you. Choose different pile. Okay? Spirit Guide Angels for pile number 3, yes or no sa person na pinapangakuan sila. Whatever the person is, again, pause the video, think about your person, isalarawan niyo po siya sa inyong imahinasyon, and tanungin ninyo, kung tutuhanin ba niya yung pangako niya sa iyo. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, is it true? Tutuhanin ba ng person nila ang kanilang pangako? The person in their mind, yes or no? Pile number 3. Yes or no for pile number 3. Okay, yes. This is more about love, support, respect. Okay, Ace of Cup. And this is also about like marriage proposal, or togetherness, marriage, more about love. Okay, pile number 3. Yeah. New beginnings, new relationship, new romance, love, happiness, joys, conception, fertility, pregnancy, celebration, socializing. Sorry. Okay, so this is the person na itong tao ninyo, or the person in your mind, making their promise to you for real. Tutuhanin niya ang promise niya sa iyo, o yung binitaw niyang pangako sa iyo. Because this person have a good heart. Yeah, this person's promise comes from their heart. Yeah. There's a promise na mag-reunite kayo, magsasama kayo habang buhay. If this is about a promise from a person, relationship, yes, tutuhanin niya na ikaw lang at wala ng iba. New beginning, happening, and soon, papangakuan ka niya na May siguro gusto mo magkaroon ng anak with this person. Yes, soon, you will have a new baby. Kasi meron itong new baby na-mention ko kanina, di ba? A baby. Pile number 3. Yes, you will have a child. You will have a baby. Whatever it is, it's about related sa baby. Pinapangakuan kanya. This could be related sa support. Okay? Socializing. It is about socializing. Partying. Yes, soon, you'll be going to this party with this person. This could be related with this person na magpa-party kayo or an event, an event na mag-attend. Okay? A new romance, a new person. Yeah, new beginning, new relationship with this person. New chapter. Okay? Alright, Spirit Angels, what is your message for our pile number 3? Pile number 3, message please. So, congratulations, pile number 3. The answer is yes. There's like an outpouring love, so much love for our pile number 3. That's funny because pile number 3 is heart. Yes, yes, yes for love. All right, Spirit Guide Angels, your person that you are dealing right now is truly love you. Pile number 3. Okay. Protected by angels. So you are cherished by the angels. So you guys, just so you know, you guys are very protected by your angels, by your spirit guides, spirit animals, spirit teams, right? One more message, just to let you know that you guys are very protected. Final message for our pile number 3, please. Pile number 3, Spirit Guide Angels. Advice for our pile number 3. Okay. Ayaw namang lumabas. So, spirit animals. Kasi kanina nakukuha ko yung energy na spirit animals. Pile number 3, spirit animals. Advice, please. Parang, marami. Dalawang spirit animals na nakukuha natin for pile number 3. Lahat ay nagtatalunan. Dolphin, play. Swim in the happy joy of living. Inhale confidence and exhale fear. Dive into your wisdom. Go with the flow. So yeah, go with the flow. Ano ba yan? Go with the flow and enjoy life, mga kapatid. Ano ba yan? Nagmamadali na. Okay, dragon, supernatural. You are the ancient wise sage. You can shape shift at will. Mastery is your destiny. Rise with dignity. So yeah, rise with dignity. If you make a promise, do it. Okay? Make sure you have this a person with a word. You know what I mean? Kung ano yung pinapangakuan mo, gawin mo. Because you have this dignity. And the person that you are dealing, mga kapatid, the person have a dignity. Yeah. Kasi meron siyang pangako na dapat niyang gawin at mabuo ito. Okay? Even sa marriage, ikaw lang at wala ng iba. Kung gusto mo pa ng anak, bibigyan ka niya. Because the person have so much love in you. Mahal na mahal ka niya. Okay? And same as the, kung ano itong pinabakitang kagandahang puso ng person mo, you should do the same thing. You know? Rise with dignity. Kailangan talaga may dignidad. Okay? And you guys have this, napaka-wise ninyo. You guys have this like old soul. Karamihan dito, pile number 3, have this old soul. Maybe you like a person with a mature, or maybe you guys, this matured person or personality. Okay? Yeah. So, hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. I love you guys. And I hope to see you guys on my next reading. Sana nakaresonate kayo sa pile na pinili ninyo, pile number 3. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys on my next reading. Bye!